So tell something about your district.
So my district is rich in wildlife as well as in forest sector areas as well as in tourist place also. My district is very famous for black buck and giant squirrel and Chilika Lake also there. Then some kind of tourist place like Pottagad, Taratarini Temple, Bhairavi Temple, and ecotourism places are also there, like Salwapalli, which have giant squirrel areas.
You have done also masters in forestry.
Yes, sir.
And do you read newspaper?
Yes, sir.
So what have you read in the last week?
So last news about the Afghanistan matter.
What is the situation there?
Now it is very critical in there, and so many conflicts were going on, and due to their internal conflicts also in India and other countries are also facing lot of problems.
Why today's date is that important in Afghanistan? Today.
Yes, sir.
Why today, 31st of August,
Yes, sir.
is very important in Afghanistan?
So today, sorry, sir, I don't.
All foreign forces will be leaving the country by today's date, 31st of August.
Yes, sir.
It or not?
No, sir.
No idea. Okay. So which is the other terrorist group which have attacked the Taliban forces? Some incidents of terror attack in the last 2-3 days.
Yes, sir.
With the other terror. But ISIS, have you listened about the
Yes, sir.
some of the name?
Yes, sir.
Are they friend of Taliban or the enemy of Taliban?
So they are enemy of Taliban.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
you are a policy analyst and you did your post graduation also.
Yes, sir.
Which is the apex body controlling forestry education in the country?
Yes, sir.
Which is the apex body controlling forestry education in India?
Sir, ICFRE.
ICFI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When was it formed?
Sir, it was formed in 1960. 1960.
85.
Sorry, sir. 1980.
Okay. Which is the research institute in forestry of repute in Asia?
Research Institute. Sir, one is ICFRE and another one is
ICFRE is not a research institute. You know ICAR?
Yes, sir.
What it does?
Sir, it related to agroforestry, sir.
ICAR is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. And ICFRE is research and education.
Yes, yes, sir.
It is not a research institute. It's the apex body which controls education and research in the field. Okay. So you need to prepare all this.
Yes.
Which is the okay? Tell me what is the forest area of the state now?
Sir, it was 33.31%.
Forest area
Yes, sir.
or forest cover? What is the difference between forest area and forest cover?
So forest area, it means related to small geographical areas, and forest cover means cover whole area.
Forest area refers to the legal status of the land. Whatever area is declared to be forest legally, that is forest area. Forest cover. All the area declared as forest do not have forest cover. So, which will be more? Forest cover is not forest area. Alright? Be clear in your answer.
Yes, sir.
You are a forestry graduate and postgraduate. Okay, you have forest. You have done your postgraduation in forest utilization.
Yes, sir.
What are the products from forest that we derive?
So one is lac, resin, gums, then fuel wood, firewoods, then comes kendu leaves. Another is fibers and flosses.
You are talking only about non-wood forest products.
Yes, sir.
What about major forest produce? Are there
Timbers, sir. Timbers.
In the present day context, which is more important? Non-wood forest product or timber?
So non-wood forest product are much important.
Justify your answer why they are more important.
Because nowadays people are wanting more and more income. So for the income generation, we need to focus about non-wood forest product. Because if they focus on timber, they have to wait for so many years, like about 10 or 15 or 20 years. It's depend on the specials. But from non-wood forest product, they can get income easily, they can get product easily and sustain their livelihood also very easily.
When was the first forest policy was formulated in India?
Sir, it is 1886.
18?
86.
Yes. 18?
86.
1865 was the first forest policy formulated by
British,
Sir, who is the German forester who was brought to
Dr. Brandeis.
Brandeis, right?
Yes, sir.
As a forestry graduate, you should be thorough in this historical development of the forestry situation.
Yes. Yes.
And research institute did not answer forest research institute is the apex body.
Yes, sir.
It is not ICFRE. Research institute wise, it is forest research institute.
Yes, sir.
Is there any research institute in Odisha in forestry?
Forestry sector research, no, sir.
There is no research institute in Odisha.
In OUET only.
Why would UT alone? Is there no other research institute? Have you not visited silvicultural research station?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is for.
It is the Research Institute of Odisha government. Why do you forget that? Achha, which is a major field in which OUT is working in the field of forestry research.
OUT, sir, mainly related to educational and extension purposes.
In the field of forestry, which is the major field in which OUT is working for a
Sir,
long period.
agroforestry.
Huh?
Agroforestry.
Agroforestry.
Yes, sir.
When did it start? In India, when did it start? Agroforestry research in India started in the year 1983.
1983.
And OUT was one of the participant research institutes. Okay. What is Forest Rights Act?
Sir, it's give a right for conservation of forest area as well as wildlife. It cover protected areas, reserve areas and village areas under it.
What is village area?
Yes, sir.
You told forest village area.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Reserve forest, protected forest, and village forest.
Village forest.
Yes, sir.
Village forest comes under the purview of forest department or revenue department?
So forest department.
No. Village forest comes under revenue department but managed by forest department with the help of VSS. Okay.
What are the major food groups?
Yes, sir.
Major food groups.
Food groups.
Food groups, Khardiya.
So cereals, pulses,
Food groups.
food groups.
Crops in food. Major food groups. Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, And- so now is
Carbohydrate.
Nutrition is carbohydrate, protein, fat, then comes the minerals and vitamins.
6 food groups. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, fiber, water. Sallah. Okay. What are the forest trees you know and respective products well known or rich in which vitamin or mineral?
so mango,
Forest tree or product? Mango. Mango
Yes, sir.
rich in
vitamin A and magnesium and C.
vitamins. Upon the answer.
Sir.
Next.
Then jackfruit.
Rich in
It is very rich in vitamin C and A. And another one is bell.
There's a giant sitting in front of you. Don't try to bluff. Acha, do you know any ITK's indigenous technical knowledge? Forest based.
So technical knowledge.
Indigenous, this.
So with respect to
Ada malaria ada, kalau sulit putra mau sebut.
so सिंकोना जो क्यूनाइन बाहर मलेरिया पाई
यो बाइस सबसे पहला वाले नोनोडिया कुछ malaria पाइंसन कौन ट्राइबल कंसेंट का मंदिर हो straight for जब किसी जानी चुप देसी और ज्ञान को सर ITK is based on forest.
So from cinchona tree, quinine product is obtained for curing malaria.
Then
Then some medicinal plants like aloe vera for cooling effect, and also having in cosmetics industries. Then in
Neem don't have any value.
yes sir,
Neem.
yes sir, neem.
Sebastian is dying. Don't try to bluff.
अच्छा सिंपल गोटे बाड़ी रे गछ देखा जाउछ कोन कहलो which has wide medicinal application.
Aloe vera, sir.
Bongo सिवड़ी गछ जाउछ.
Yes sir.
What is the scientific name? Julio. अच्छा. What is its application? You are a forest producer to celebrate. Fun. Be thorough in your subject matter.
Application has applied questions as well.
So the confidence level is good. Personality is very good. So communication absolutely is no good. Nothing wrong about that.
Technically also
Yeah.
not bad.
So you have to upgrade yourself on facts. Rest of things are fine. Okay. Thank you. For the next one, try to upgrade yourself.
Yes.
With information base.
Yes.
That will make you more to perform well.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.